Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to remove your debit card from Cash App. It's super easy and fast. So first, launch the Cash App on your phone, and next, tap the little house at the bottom left corner. If you have $0, it looks like a house, but if you have money in your account, it will show the balance like $100, $50, etc. So tap it either way. And now all you have to do is scroll down and tap Link Account. And here you will see all cards connect to your Cash App. So here's a note. Removing your cash card means you cannot use anymore to send or receive money through Cash App. So double check before you do that. And now tap on your debit card, and there is an option that's called remove debit card. All you have to do is confirm and it's gone. And that's it. Your debit card is now unlinked from your Cash App. And that's how you remove a debit card from Cash App, quick and easy. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment sections and I will help you out. So thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.